Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to Amazon VA Pro Tips channel. Hopefully you are all fine. So today we will do keyword research. So let's start. I am using Helium 10 tool. Now we will opening Amazon page and search our product, bamboo strainer. After search, we will run X-ray. The data has been fetched, and now we will applying sponsored. Removing filter after hide sponsored, we will select our relevant products. We need only 10 relevant products. And now run Cerebro. The data is fetching. We will apply minimum search volume. Filter is 30. And now enter. Export this file in CSV. Now we'll delete the row whose we don't need. After deleting columns, we have left keywords. All ASINS column. The position rank column is our first ASIN. We will paste here our first ASIN and insert a column where we apply relevancy score finding formula. Now we will this formula on our column first to last and rename our sheet. We will save our ASINs. We will go back X-ray tab and copy products page, link and paste on the relevancy sheet after paste. The links, we will copy all the links and paste forward the ASINs. After all this work, we will merge these cells and rename it. We will take it, image name, last one. Our work is go to the products pages and copy image links and go to sheet and one by one paste on. The insert option, open and click the image option and insert image via link and paste the link. Okay, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel and like my video.